Backpack sprayers are quickly becoming essential tools for homeowners, landscapers, and farmers looking to maintain their property with ease and efficiency. With the growing demand for more powerful and convenient sprayers, choosing the right one can be challenging. In this guide, we evaluate the best backpack sprayers on the market today, focusing on battery life, build quality, spray pressure, ergonomics, nozzle types, and overall value for money. List number: Petra Tools battery-powered backpack sprayer, 4-gallon, 6 hours battery life and padded straps. The Petra Tools battery-powered backpack sprayer stands out with its incredible 6-hour battery life on a single charge, making it ideal for large yards and commercial jobs. This 4-gallon sprayer features padded straps and a supportive backplate, ensuring long sessions are as comfortable as possible. It includes multiple nozzles for varied spray patterns and a variable pressure switch for precise control. The wide mouth lid prevents spillage while refilling. Built with commercial-grade materials, it offers impressive durability and efficiency. Whether you're spraying herbicides, pesticides, or fertilizers, this model provides consistent output and smooth operation. Its translucent tank also helps track fluid levels easily. While slightly heavier due to the battery, the ergonomic design offsets it well. List number: DeWalt 190681 20-volt max 4-gal lithium-ion cordless backpack sprayer kit 2AH. DeWalt brings its power tool expertise into the gardening world with the 190681 20-volt max backpack sprayer. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, this sprayer delivers reliable pressure for a wide range of applications. The premium build quality and durable components live up to DeWalt's reputation. It's engineered with a variable speed dial, so users can adjust output as needed. The lockable shutoff helps reduce hand fatigue, while the easy-to-fill tank and removable battery system add convenience. Designed for professionals and demanding homeowners alike, this model excels in performance and longevity. It is compatible with other DeWalt 20-volt tools, which is a major plus for those already invested in the ecosystem. List number: Field King 190328 backpack sprayer, 4-gallon, internal no-leak pump design. The Field King 190328 is a powerhouse when it comes to manual pump sprayers. Its standout feature is the internal no-leak pump design that ensures chemicals stay safely contained, protecting users from exposure. This sprayer delivers up to 150 psi, ideal for reaching long distances or spot treatments. The 4-gallon tank is UV resistant, and the piston pump is built for rugged extended use. With high-pressure output and multiple nozzle options, this is perfect for professionals and advanced users. The pump handle is reversible for left or right-hand use, and the harness system offers decent comfort. It requires manual pumping, but its efficiency and spray power make it a top-tier option among non-electric sprayers. List 4. Chapin 61500 4-gallon Euro-style backpack sprayer, made in USA. The Chapin 61500 backpack sprayer blends European style with American manufacturing quality. It features a polyethylene tank that resists corrosion and can handle most common fertilizers and herbicides. This 4-gallon unit includes a cushion grip shutoff, adjustable polycone and fan nozzles, and 2-stage filtration to prevent clogging. The sprayer operates via a manual piston pump, offering decent pressure for general-purpose use. With an ergonomic handle and padded shoulder straps, it's comfortable enough for extended work. The large opening and filter basket make refilling and cleaning simple. Best suited for homeowners, this is a solid entry-level sprayer at a competitive price point. List 5. Roundup 1931 4 backpack sprayer. Great for herbicides, fertilizers, and insecticides. Designed for a wide range of lawn and garden applications, the Roundup 1931 4 backpack sprayer is perfect for spraying fertilizers, weed killers, and insecticides. This 4-gallon manual sprayer includes a heavy-duty poly wand, Viton seals, and an adjustable nozzle to handle tough chemicals. The built-in pressure regulator maintains a consistent 21 psi for even spraying. It also features a locking trigger to reduce fatigue, and a comfort grip handle with a filter to catch debris. Ideal for both homeowners and semi-pro users. This Roundup sprayer combines ease of use with durability. The padded harness and waist belt add to comfort, though the tank might feel bulky to smaller users.